Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today, I'll be going over the price action we had today, what happened, why it happened, everything you need to know. Before the video starts, I just want to make sure that you know that our membership just opened, so you can join right here on the website tradersite.com, and also, we have 25% forever affiliate program, and you can join our free Discord for free content. Okay, so, to the charts now. What happened today? Okay guys, so, let's start on the hourly, right? First of all, Monday, we opened up, had a gap up, okay? This gap, it might be important for later, but for now, we ignored it because, well, I cannot tell you exactly why we ignored it. It's for midship students mostly, but we pumped up, okay? Monday, we pumped up. We opened the day right here. So what happened? We, in Asia, we manipulated a little bit up, then we dumped. Then in London, we had a dump as well. And this dump, right here. I caught the bottom of this. Actually, yeah, it was the low of the day I caught. I entered around very much down here. I think it was around here maybe. And then we had stuff here. And then I targeted these highs. You could have went way higher obviously, but yeah, it was pretty nice. And I caught this top as well, so it was pretty cool. This trade I took in the Discord it is too. Yeah, so why did I take this, okay? I cannot be telling you everything, but I can tell you most things that are definitely going to help you. So first of all, on the 1 hour, when did we want to long in this range, okay? Well, obviously for most people, this would be longs. We had an accumulation, then we had a manipulation down here, and then our distribution, right? But when do you want to long? When is it enough manipulation? This right here is our accumulation zone, okay? This is where all the accumulation happened. So we have the lows and the highs of it, okay? These are important because these are the ones you want to see taken before you want to see the distribution, okay? So I definitely wanted long, so I was not looking at the high at all. So the low, what happened? We swept it, and what did we do? What did we do with this low? We made SMT with this low. Power of 3 with the SMT, okay? So then, after we took this, right, we made SMT, and that's cool. That's cool, okay? But then we need something to support it, right? We had no PD raise here. This is not a good sign, right? No, it's not really. But the thing is, we already reacted on this value gap down here, this hourly value gap. We reacted on this Monday, so we did not want to see it go lower because that would mean we're breaking the bullish structure. So instead of looking at this, let's look a little bit back. What happened over here? We made a bunch of things. For example, the one I used, this inverse right here. I used this inverse to as my PD array. So if we zoom a bit in, you can see that we tapped into this, and then we had this SMT here. And then what happened? What do you see? Because what I see is that we had another SMT with this. And so this low, I was thinking it was protected 100%. So I entered right here. After I had the turtle too, free liquidity. And then I entered. And I had my TP here because of ES. I'll not be going too much into that either, because some things are meant for the membership only. But this was a solid breakdown. And then let's go to market open. So market open might have been hard to predict. For me, I would say it was pretty simple. But maybe some of you lost, and I'd like to help you with that. So what happened? We've been pumping all day, right? We wanted retracement so we can long again, because this is what we do now, the longing method. So what do we get at 9:30? Like around 9:30, you know, the opening range here. We have a little accumulation up here. We have another little accumulation. Then we have another manipulation. But now, where would you want to see this go? We don't have a lot of PD raise here. So where do you want to see this go? Personally, I was looking at this high and this high as your point of controls, POCs, okay? So these two highs were definitely good. So these could be your levels, right? And then from here, what do we look for always? Confirmation, obviously. Right? But fun fact, maybe you took this long, okay? Maybe you did. This small little thing. But why did we not take this? Why is this not the great setup? First of all, no SMT. Second of all, no gap, no inversion, no nothing, okay? And we talked about this so many times now. So what do you really want to take? Wait for this to dump, manipulate, okay? We wait for the manipulation. We want to enter distribution. So what happens here? After we manipulated down, took this low, then we made SMT with this, then we made this inverse. Then you can enter, or if you entered here, it wouldn't be the greatest trade ever, but it would be a fine trade, right? This is a good trade. But if you target this, what do you do? Here I would probably not go break even because the risk to reward is so low. So like, you know, you have such a big stop loss that it's not really worth going break even for this. So if you were targeting this high, I would just not be going break even at all. If you were not in here, if you missed this, then what happens? We get another fucking SMT, guys. Another SMT. And what do we get? We get another inverse. So what do? We enter. And what do we do after we enter, bro? We just have the stop loss at the low, and then we can target this now. Or we can target higher. We can go on the hourly time frame, right? And personally, I marked out this high because I want to see it get taken at some point. So what do? You could target this if you wanted to. But you could also just like go lower. There's a lot of RR. Just like target 4 RR here. That's good. That's really good. That's amazing. So I hope this breakdown helped you guys. This daily recap. Yeah, this is not the full like there's more to it, okay? There is more to it, but it's not something that I want to share with everyone, so it'll be mostly for students. We also have some stuff in Discord that's free, you can go look at, which will probably help you with this a little bit more than what I did right now. But I think this should give you a good push in the right direction. I hope to see you in the next one.